Hello everyone and welcome. Today I want to share with you two simple yet effective Zen-inspired breathing techniques designed to help alleviate stress and anxiety. By focusing on your breath, you can bring your mind and body back into balance and experience a soothing sense of calm. Let's begin. Before we dive into the techniques, take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. You can sit upright with your feet planted on the floor or simply rest on a cushion. Let your shoulders drop naturally, and if it feels right, close your eyes or soften your gaze. Allow any tension in your body to loosen and gently shift your attention to the steady rhythm of your breathing. Technique 1. Hara breathing. Our first method is known as Hara breathing, which focuses on the lower abdomen, sometimes called the power center in Zen philosophy. Here's how to do it. Posture. Lengthen your spine, keeping it straight yet comfortable. Awareness. Place one hand on your lower belly, just below your navel. Inhale. Slowly breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. Notice your belly expanding, rising gently under your hand. Exhale. Release the breath through your nose for a count of 4, feeling your belly lower as you let go of any tightness. Repeat this cycle several times, allowing your mind to focus on the sensation of the breath. If thoughts arise, acknowledge them and gently return your attention to the belly's movement. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calming energy. With each exhale, visualize releasing stress and tension. As you continue, you may notice a growing sense of warmth or calm at your center. This is the essence of Hara breathing. Stability and peace rooted in the core of your being. Technique 2. Box breathing, Zen twist. The second technique is box breathing, which is often used to steady the mind and body. We'll add a Zen-inspired touch by incorporating a brief moment of gratitude with each pause. Inhale, 4 seconds. Take a deep breath in through your nose, counting silently to 4. Fill your lungs completely. Hold 4 seconds. Gently hold your breath for another count of 4. During this pause, bring to mind one thing you're grateful for, no matter how big or small. Exhale 4 seconds. Breathe out slowly through your mouth, counting to 4 again. Let any tension flow out with the breath. Hold 4 seconds. At the bottom of the exhale, pause for 4 counts. Use this brief stillness to feel the presence of gratitude before beginning the next cycle. Aim for 4 to 6 full rounds. By weaving a moment of gratitude into each pause, you transform box breathing into a mindful practice that nurtures a positive, peaceful mindset. Why these techniques work? Both Hara breathing and box breathing encourage a slower, more deliberate rate of respiration. When you breathe deeply and methodically, you signal your nervous system to relax. This lowers your heart rate, reduces muscle tension, and quiets the mental chatter that often fuels stress and anxiety. Practicing these techniques regularly can help you develop resilience and a deeper sense of inner calm. Closing and encouragement. Now, take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you sense a lighter, more settled energy throughout your body, or perhaps a renewed clarity in your mind. These benefits become more profound the more you practice. Even dedicating just 5 minutes a day to mindful breathing can have a ripple effect on your overall well-being. Thank you for joining me in exploring these Zen breathing techniques. Remember that stress and anxiety don't have to control your life. By centering yourself through mindful breathing, you can restore a sense of peace and balance whenever you need it. Stay well, keep breathing deeply, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.